Are you having problems with your Facebook story being blurry? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this issue, because actually as of right now a lot of people are experiencing the exact same problem, and for most of them there's actually just one setting that they need to be able to turn off to make this work. So a lot of you out there unfortunately have this one setting enabled that actually makes your story blurry as of right now. So basically what you need to do is to close your Facebook app. So close your Facebook app completely. What you need to do right now is to go into your settings app. So if you have an iPhone or Android, just go into your settings app and then you should be taken to this page right here. Just scroll down in here until you can see Facebook. So click on Facebook in here, and as you can see I do come to this page right here where it says Facebook, and I'm able to see all of these settings right here. In this is an iPhone obviously, but if you have an Android phone it should look basically like the same more or less. But there is one setting that works on both iPhone and Android. What you need to do is to turn this one off right here where it says mobile data. Turn this one off, because what happens if you do have mobile data enabled on Facebook, then it will mostly use mobile data when you're actually posting something on Facebook. And let's say that your mobile data connection is right now very weak. Well, that means that when you do post through mobile data, your post, like your story or photos that you post, will probably not be in the best quality, because mobile data in a certain place in a certain time can compromise the quality, just so you know. So please turn this one off right now and make sure that you're actually connected to Wi-Fi, that before you're actually posting something on your Facebook story. That should solve the issue for most of you out there right now. So basically this is exactly how to fix this. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.